Alright, so I got this cool Conair pack from Ripple Street. Let's see what's inside. Alright, we got quick blow dry brush, some really nice silk scrunchies. Ooh, we got a drying t-shirt towel, some head wraps. Those are pretty colors. Some snap clips. New brush. Trimmer set. Alright. Wet or dry. All in one. Battery operated. Smoothwrap Blow-dryer. Wow, that's nice. We got the different pieces in there. It's really pretty color too. Alright, we're gonna have to check this out. Okay, so time to check out the new Conair blow dryer that I just received from Ripple Street. I'm on my off wash day, so I'm going to shampoo it as well. I have the Pantene dry foam shampoo that I use and then blow dry, and then I have the Pantene just regular dry shampoo spray that I then use after to get the look that I'm going for. So we'll start with the foam. I have really oily hair, so using just one dry shampoo is not enough on my off days. I still look like I have greasy hair, so I found that using both of these works great. Okay, so see, it gets it a little wet, which is why I blow dry. So going to use it on the warm setting, if you can see that here, and then on high. It's pretty good. It's really powerful. It's not super loud like my old blow dryer was, so that's nice. It's easy to hold. It's comfortable in my hand. My hand doesn't get super tired. I'm not the best at blow drying my hair. My hair is really straight, so I don't really do anything with it anyway. But I mean, it looks pretty good. So then I finish with the regular spray shampoo. I use a lot because, like I said, I have very oily hair, so rub it in. Okay, and and then brush it out. And as you can see, I'm also using the new copper Conair brush that came in the kit as well, which was nice because I needed a new brush. So brush it all through. See? Like new. I really like this blow dryer. I really like the color especially. It's a really pretty like ice blue. Very simple. It's got the cool setting, extra cool button here. It's got a really long cable, which is nice. Yeah, pretty good. I like it. Thanks, Conair.